Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place. This is me, S.A. Schultz. Link to everything is available in the description box below, which is below the video. Click it and you'll find it. My PayPal, UPI, GPay. If you wish to support the channel, donate to the channel, you can do so because I highly appreciate it. And of course, I'm on Instagram till date. Okay, the message is heartfelt realization. Okay, now have I said everything? Sending love from planet Earth. Hi. Anyone from another planet? Can you just write? Okay. But anyways, I'll know. Okay. So I'll know because someone way back wrote something. It was so nice. Okay, so let's start. Heartfelt realization. HEARTFELT. Realization. REALIZA or SATION. Someone is having this, okay? And this heartfelt realization is one, either apology coming, two, that is going to be confession coming, or an expression of some sort is coming, three, okay? So, which is very interesting. This is about heartfelt realization. Aquarius, it's going to happen. And this is like when I did the cut side, you have truth on this side, which is interesting because it does contain the word expression that I said on third note. Okay, so this is the truth expression, new perspective, seeing the truth, clear action, honesty, communication. This is coming as in confession or communication. You see this? It's coming. So some kind of truth, some kind of expression, some kind of confession, some kind of communication is definitely coming. And this is going to be either giving you new perspective. Because of this new perspective, someone is going to communicate with you. And this is going to be very honest, okay? Very nice. This could be acceptance as an individual on someone's part, okay? Accepting that yes, this is what I did, or this is what happened, or and I wanted to tell you, and I want to tell you. There's an offer coming. I just saw it and they said just take it. Okay. Someone is at pause. Okay, I want to feel this energy. I don't want to be in a hustle. Someone is in a pause, and I just am remembering the movie Tremor. Have you seen that movie? Where there are creatures beneath. Okay, Tremor. TREMOR. Way back, old movies. And they do have series as well. I just want to find that again. I saw it way back. And then it's going to happen just like that. Not a creature is actually coming out, but it's something that is telling that something is going to feel as if like it's shaking everything. It's a heartfelt realization. It's about someone possible realizing that they're in love with you, or they wish to connect with you more, or the reality is wow, like what is going on. Okay, something is going to be happening, and it's going to literally be like whoa, like that kind of energy. You have Venus, and I stopped because this is coming with an offer. And if you are very much interested in planets and everything, you know Venus. Okay, this is about, for some of you, very specific females, something that is going to happen in your life. Or if a masculine is listening to me, you are attracted to someone. This female is like whoa, okay, like you're so impressed. And this is like you think highly of someone when you respect that person, when you admire them, when you appreciate them, when you so want to tell them something, because there is this energy I'm seeing that they want to tell someone something. Goes vice versa, however this goes for you. Venus is here, okay? And as if like literally not from this planet, because we do say men are from Mars and women are from Venus, it's going to feel as if like you came from there, you know? So an offer is here, romance. I'm reading my words with you. Okay. Romance, love, beauty, creative arts. Some of you might be in that field as well. Wealth, harmony, attraction, and offer. Now, this could be an offer of work, art in your life from some side, but this offer is all about romance, love, taking things further, someone who is interested. And you like the bottom energy is the world, which is new cycle, promise of something, okay? Fulfillment, travel, success after the quest. You know what the top card is about? Kisses, love, so beautiful. You know, it's going to be good. It's going to, or it is good when it is about genuine love. Okay. Unconditionally loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love. Maybe someone is going to fall in love with you, and that's why someone is falling in love with you. And it's not going to be like it's not like this. It's going to take time, but it is. And you know, Wednesday, like the Adams family, mother of Wednesday, you know, she and her husband, they're in deeply in love. Yeah. So the kind of love I want to see, the kind of love that's going to prove that it does exist. It's worth the wait, right? So the kind of thing I'm seeing here. Someone's Venus is going to get activated. It's just not about love, romance, about lifestyle, social life, and things like that as well. Lot is included in Venus. You know, I'm not an astrologer, I always say, but I do read, I do connect, and I have curiosity as well about that. But whatever they tell me, I tell. I just don't go by word what people write. Because we all are staying on this planet. Oh, it's just a home for a while. So, home for a while. I see it is coming for Aquarius. They're showing me kisses card. Look at me, baby. I want to tell you things. Look at me, baby. I want to tell you things. That was on the spot. Look at me, baby. I want to tell you things. I think this should be the title of my next reading. So, what is coming and going inside? This is about reunion of some sort. Union of some sort. This is about soul ties. Soulmate, fated partnership. This is repeating as well from the last reading. Past life connection, past returns. So some past returns that's connected with reunion. If it's supposed to be, it's genuine, it's okay. Okay, only then go for that. But there is something that is going to be about like soul tie. And you people are connecting definitely. It's a fated partnership. Cannot exaggerate on this with the Venus. Offer, soul tie. Wow. Can't stop looking at you. Okay. Tell me, give us the flip, please. Give us the flip. Oh. You know what I got right away is these cards, they fell in a weird position. So what they're trying to convey me is that some kind of confusion shall go away from your life. Okay? Some kind of confusion connected with the string or with the person, any kind of connection that was possible, like recent distant past possible. If it's not something about new, so for something about new, you're going to also get the clarification regarding that. But This is also the sign of some kind of confusion coming out of illusion. Things are going to just fall at place, okay? So the card is illusions, confusion, not seeing clearly, escapism, addictions, fantasy. Now, some of you are having certain kind of fantasy or some kind of illusion connected with certain person specific or a situation that you need to realize that reality versus fantasy or illusion is different. And this is all about personal realizations, okay? So this is about where you're going to be coming out of your present confusion regarding someone or something, okay? That's on you. Another card is keys on a ring, one night stand. This is about also heartfelt realization. Okay, I have to just pause because I need to connect. Heartfelt realization could be connected with that person, and I said that an apology for some. But for some, this could be heartfelt realization for you, that you're realizing what happened. Okay, and because this someone who took you for granted or took advantage of you, and they might have promised you something like a ring, okay, like a ring. But what they did was wrong, okay? It was wrong. And you might be feeling that you did wrong, which is not, okay? Many options, decisions, unconventional, string along. Someone who is maybe into, what's that word? Promiscuous? Maybe they're like that, okay? So this is about someone who just want their life in control of self, or they want to control the other person as well, giving them promises and creating this pattern and then just doing what they want. So this could be something connected. You definitely coming out of confusion, but someone showed you that and they were not good. This is a dirty person, and I always say the truth that I see in cards and in here. Someone's name may be starting with R, R for rat, T for truck, names, just initials or first or last, but mostly first, I suppose. O for owl, and possible A as well. Okay, now here you go. You need to have this, like, you are coming out of confusion. I'm telling you that because this is what you are seeing clearly. And someone who might have gone into escapism. An escapist, you might have dealt with an escapist. Okay. They never make any decisions, but they want you to just tag along, kind of. If you ever went through such people or energies, or they're still there around you, you need to get rid of them. Okay? You just need to get rid of them. Now, there's also this one question that is surrounding that when things are like, and that reunion can be of this person. You need to say no, of course. You know what they did. But I do feel like this offer and this soul tie is something else. This is totally very pious and naive, starting something. And this could be something that you're saying bye-bye to, okay? I also have this question because I think something unexpected, yes, something unexpected is going to happen. And this conflict that you have, this kind of thing that that you felt as like something that destroyed you from inside emotionally, or it disappointed you, this storm is going to clear everything. Like, this thing is a big realization here. Sudden news that is going to clear your mind. Okay, so wherever you're feeling trapped or something, you're going to be out of it. Let me see what is in future peekaboo coming. Okay, that was quick. Okay, that's nice. I saw this, right? You have sun. You have sun. Something major, beautiful sunrise going to happen. Okay, this is about strength, emotional strength, realization, letting go. And strength is about, from tarot world, this is a Leo, strength. And this here projection is different. Empowerment. Aquariuses. This is about empowerment. This is about heart chakra. This is about opening. Okay, compassion, happiness, truth revealed. So this is about, like, it's going versus, like, you're not expecting, but what you got, you were expecting something, but now you need to accept something. That's versus. Okay, and now this is all about, and then again activating Venus and the cards, an offer, something that you're going to start again. Okay, if you're ready, because Sun is like a, giving it a chance, and uh, loving what is coming, and hoping, and being, very positive for this. This is about, as I said, empowerment. This is about heart chakra. This is about clarification and opening. And we all are doing that. And it's not like just falling suddenly, But someone, whoever is coming, possible, or you, vice versa, we have gone through all these things. So now you know. Now, this is also a sign of when you can make your own decisions, because you've gone through the experiences. Now you know what is illusion, what is not, what is a pattern, So this is what about deciding and stopping, like when to stop and when to start, and waiting for the right thing. Okay, hope that this is going to help you. Take care and see you soon. Bye.